Hello everyone. Today, for those who are new to Binance, let's take an easy and detailed look at how to sign up and how to trade gifts. Each step is explained carefully, so even complete beginners can follow without stress. You'll find the registration link right under this video. If you register through that link, you'll receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees. Be sure to use the link so you don't miss out on these benefits. Now, let's begin with the Binance account registration. Clicking the link below this video will take you directly to the Binance website. Once the page loads, you'll see that the 20% trading fee discount is already applied. You may also notice some extra reward promotions displayed on the screen. You can sign up using either your email address or your mobile phone number. After entering your information, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Then, tap Continue to move on to the next step. You'll be prompted to complete a simple image verification. Choose the image that correctly matches the word shown on the screen. After that, a verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Enter the code you received to confirm your registration. Next, you'll set a password for your Binance account. Your password needs to be at least 8 characters long. Make sure it includes at least one uppercase letter. It must also contain a lowercase letter, and don't forget to add at least one number. If you see a referral code field, enter Sky333. This step activates special benefits for your account. You'll receive a 20% trading fee discount along with extra bonus rewards. I strongly suggest entering the code before completing the registration. Once all steps are done, your Binance account setup will be complete. Next, we'll move on to KYC verification. KYC verification is required to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance. Since this process includes face verification, we'll continue on a mobile device. Download the Binance app and open it on your phone. Log in using the account you just created. You'll be automatically taken to the verification screen. Start by selecting your nationality from the list. For this example, I'll choose India. Next, choose the type of identification you want to verify. Here, I'll proceed with passport verification. Tap Take Pictures to continue. Then, select Continue to activate the camera. Position your passport fully within the frame and capture the image. Make sure the photo is clear, with no glare or shadows. Now, proceed to the face verification step. Follow the on-screen instructions and perform each action shown. Once this is finished, your identity verification will be submitted. In about 1 hour, your verification status will change to verified. Now, let's strengthen your account security with Google Authenticator. Open Account. Then select Security. Choose Manage. And enable the Authenticator app option. Enter the security code sent to your email or phone. A QR code will then appear on the screen. Install Google Authenticator and open the app on your phone. Tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Then select Scan a QR code. Scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. A 6-digit verification code will appear in the app. Return to the Binance screen and click Next. Enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator. This completes the setup for two-factor authentication. Secondly, let's walk through how peer-to-peer trading works on Binance. Begin by tapping the wallet icon at the top right of the screen. The spot wallet is where your funds are held and used for spot trading. The futures wallet, on the other hand, is strictly for futures trading. For now, make sure to select the spot wallet. In the top right corner, tap on Deposit. From the menu, choose Buy with USD via peer-to-peer. Take a moment to read the agreement shown on the screen. Check the box to agree, then continue. To begin the purchase, switch over to the Buy tab. Select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to buy. USDT is usually more stable and simpler than purchasing Bitcoin directly. Next, choose your local currency and type in the amount. After that, select the payment method you prefer. You'll now see a list of sellers available for this trade. For safety, prioritize sellers with a high number of completed orders. It's also a good idea to check their ratings and completion rate. Once you find a reliable seller, tap Buy USDT next to their listing. Before proceeding, carefully review the seller's payment instructions. Now, enter the amount of USDT you want to purchase. After reviewing everything, confirm the order by tapping Buy USDT. On the following screen, you'll see the seller's name and payment details. Depending on the payment option, a QR code may appear. Before making the payment, check for any messages from the seller. Send the payment using the method you selected earlier. Once the payment is sent, return to the Binance app. Tap Transferred, notify seller to let them know the payment is complete. Upload 1 to 3 images as proof of payment. Then, check the box to confirm your agreement. Finish this step by tapping Confirm. After a short wait, tap the wallet icon once more. Select the spot wallet again from the list. You'll see that the USDT has been successfully added to your balance. Let's take a look at how futures trading works on Binance. Before placing any futures trades, you'll first need to transfer some funds. Start by opening your spot wallet. Then, tap the transfer button in the top right corner. Set the transfer direction from fiat and spot to USD futures. Next, select the asset you want to transfer. Type in the amount you'd like to move. Double-check the details, then confirm the transfer. After a short moment, the funds will appear in your futures wallet. To enter the futures market, tap Futures from the top menu. From the list, choose USD Futures. You'll be taken straight to the futures trading screen. Use the icon in the top left corner to select a market. Choose the trading pair you want to trade. On the right side, you'll see the controls for placing and managing orders. First, open the margin mode settings. With cross margin, your full available balance supports the position. With isolated margin, only the amount you set is used for that trade. For beginners, isolated margin is generally the safer choice. Next, let's adjust the leverage settings. On Binance, leverage can go up to 150 times. While higher leverage increases potential profit, it also raises risk. If you're new, using around 3 to 5 times leverage is more manageable. Now, move down to the order type section. A limit order allows you to set your desired entry price. A market order executes instantly at the current market price. Below this, you can check how much margin is available. Here, enter your order price and position size. Next, decide which direction you want to trade. If you expect the price to go up, tap Buy to open a long position. If you think the price will fall, tap Sell to open a short position. To monitor your trade, tap the Positions tab at the bottom to view your currently open position. Entry price shows the average price of your position. Mark price shows the current reference market price. If the price hits the liquidation level, the position closes automatically. P&L shows your profit or loss in real time. To reduce risk, tap the pencil icon next to TPSL. Here, you can set your take profit and stop loss levels. When you're ready to close the trade, locate the Market Close All option. Choose either Market or Limit to close the position. Once this is completed, the position will be fully closed. In this video, I walked you through everything from creating a Binance account to futures trading. Each step was explained in a clear and beginner-friendly way. Your likes and subscriptions are a huge help to the channel. Thank you for watching all the way to the end.